Hello.
Hi guys!
Say hello, Daddy. Dito guys, hindi kami masyadong pumupunta sa mga malls. People here don't even really go to the mall, honestly. Punta tayo dito sa Build-A-Bear workshop. Aldo shoes. Black Friday, 30% off everything. Verde siya masyad. Oh, money ang style ni Daddy. Daddy, look Daddy, this is your style. Ha? Look over here. It looks like a that's a gumamela lang. Look at this. Sunflowers. We are here at JCPenney, guys. I like their dresses here. I'm here naka.
Found it tastes better.
One eternity later.
Hello guys! Today is Tuesday. Yan, ano na guys, 4:37. Papunta kami ng movie house kasi manunood kami ng Moana 2. Treat namin si Rachel. Hi Rachel! Yeah, so right now kumakain kami guys. We bought some stuff at Arby's para hindi na kami kailangang bumili sa sa sinihan. Yan, so originally gusto sana naming manood ng Inside Out kasi yun yung gusto niyang panoorin, pero wala siya sa movie house na pupuntahan namin, and that place is a little bit farther from us, so and we're running out of time. It's a rush hour, so dito na lang kami guys. So Moana na lang yung panoorin namin. Ayan, ang daming explanation, di ba? Charot. Nag-order lang muna kami ng food kasi it's best to grab some food outside of the movie house. So ito yung ano natin sa Arby's. Dumaan lang kami ng saglit sa Arby's. Opo. And then we have that. And then this mozzarella fries. Yes. At saka yung classic na roast beef.
I'm gonna give you this paper, right?
Tapos meron kami dito guys, so I have to check. Ano, what's in here, Daddy? What are these?
Danish or whatever.
Ah, okay.
I can't find it. Doesn't seem to be on any of these stations.
Keep looking.
2 hours later.
So, dumating na yung ating package, guys. Nag-order si Mr. online. Wait lang. Okay. Yan, ito. Ito yung naman ng ating box, guys. Meron tayong few items here. Meron tayong KJV Bible. This is how it looks. Ito, guys. Yan. Yan, so, sa husband ko ito, guys. Okay, so I'm sharing this, guys, para maybe you're interested to order, yeah, you can order some. You can order some charot. Yes. And then, ito din, guys, bumili ako nito. This is, I think, $12. So, if you want to know the price, ilalagay ko lang dito, guys, pag-edit ko nitong video. So, this is a fraction flip chart. And then, I ordered, kasi tapos na siya sa kanyang spelling book. Or she's almost finished with her spelling books, book 5. So I got this one for her. And then my husband ordered this thing. Okay, so ito siya. Hindi ko na lang ipapakita sa inyo kasi that's for him. And parang private naman yun. Okay, and then also I purchased this online. 2-in-1, mga $20 something lang siya, guys. With my husband's permission, ayan, i-share ko, guys, kung ano ito siya. This is a hearing aid for those who are married to military veterans. So, ang asawa ko kasi is an ex-military officer. So, kaya that's one of the things that we are processing right now, guys, na makakuha siya ng benefits sa kanyang pagiging military. So, this is how it looks. Kasi a lot of, daddy, no, or most of the veterans are suffering from hearing loss, langga, no?
One of the most common things.
Most common thing that,
A lot of veterans suffer from.
yeah, that a lot of veterans suffer from is yung hearing loss talaga. Yeah, so hopefully magiging okay yung yung pinaprocess ng asawa ko kasi he deserves it. He served in the military for 10 years. So yeah. But anyway, okay, baka may confuse kayo sa iba dito na nakasubaybay talaga. Baka mag-isip kayo, akala ko teacher. Yeah. Bago pa siya maging teacher, guys, nag-military muna yung asawa ko way back then. Yes. So, anyway, meron tayong dito. Ito, guys, binili ko siya for myself. Shoes. Kasi mahilig tayo sa mga white na sneakers talaga. Ito. Yes. Ayan. Kasi feeling ko parang cute siya for any type of dress. So, ayan. Ito lang yung treat ko sa aking sarili, guys. Kasi mag-retire na rin ako sa pagtuturo. Charot.
Good job.
Yeah. So, this is, guys, this is only $50, 50 something. Yeah. And then, eto, para hindi tayo mahirapan sa pagbiyahe. Wait, lagyan natin ang ating passport. And yung wallet natin. So, this one, guys.
So he's pretending to be him.
Ito, of course, na, rated. So, meron pa siyang paganito, guys. And then, ito. And then, meron pa siyang resibo sa, sa loob. Yan. Resibo ba yung tawag nila doon? Hindi ko maintindihan. Chinese.
This is all she had to remember.
And then, lapiki siguro ni ay. Tapos na pa siya, meron pa siyang ganito, guys. O yan. Para hindi gumaho yung inyong So, look at the inside. Maliit siya. Look, I cannot even open it wider. And pero dito sa side meron siyang tatlong bulsa. tatlong bulsa. Yung little compartment. And then, meron din siya dito sa front, the very front. Ayan. I-try daw natin.
They have the strange clown in its company. She has a beautiful voice. And the children love the
Let's see.
that was story. They have
It's your favorite guy.
now I have
Uh-huh. Yeah. That's your favorite guy.
No, that's your favorite.
Yeah.
unable to find one, but we got the next best thing. I hope you don't mind.
Medyo matigas siya, hindi siya mapasok. So, with this. Peke man siguro ni. Matigas siya, guys. Ayan, disadvantage na kaagad sa akin ito. Hindi ko gusto. Yan. Okay, wait. Okay lang pala. Gimove ko lang siya, guys. So, this is the purpose. Yan. Going to travel, of course, nandito siya dapat sa harap. See? Para kuha lang tayo ng kuha. And then, let's see daw kung smooth. Yeah, okay lang yung ano niya, guys, yung zipper. Hindi naman siya peke, charot. Yan. So, eto. And then, meron din siya ditong another compartment pala, guys, o sa likod. Yeah, so it's cute. Yan. I think this would fit good with with a white dress. I don't know. Sure. Ayan. And then, bumili rin ang asawa ko nito, guys. I'm not going to open this one kasi ibibigay niya ito sa anak ng church mate namin. So, this is a Let's Play mat. Okay, we have another box. Here. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot. Yeah, I bought her another, yeah, I bought her another cursive book. Ito, guys. Yan. That's for Rachel. And then, another hearing amplifier for Daddy. Ayan, these are some affordable hearing aids, guys. Kasi, hindi pa natapos yung pagpaprocess ng asawa ko sa kanyang VA benefit. So, and he really needs it. Really needs it now. So, ayan. Bumili na lang siya ng sarili niya. And then, we have here, guys, yay! Ayan. Pwede na ako maging real vlogger. Charot. Yan. Microphone. Over here.
Microphone.
Yes. Let me open this. I got this one. Kasi matagal ko na talagang gustong magkaroon ng microphone. Okay. And then i-clip mo ito dito. Wait, I have to push it in. Dapat magdemo-demo ko diri paano na ko ni siya. But it doesn't
Up to
seem like it fits.
makes a lot of Vegas. But he's
Okay, here.
generally strong.
This one fits. And then, ilagay mo siya dito, for example.
Almost like he's running.
Hello! Yan.
Dog is like this.
So, cute siya,
And
guys.
then you look at the dog.
Yan. Masyado ako nagmamadali. So, we got 2.
So back off.
And then, meron tayong, dalawang, din, clip. And then we have 2 extra to cover the the phone. And then yeah. Meron pa tayong dalawang extra din dito. And then meron tayo ditong guys, parang USB niya. I am so happy. And then also I bought myself this kasi alam niyo naman mahilig tayo sa mga ito talaga ang paborito kong earring. Tapos na sira na. Oh, maliit siya. Gusto ko kasi yung mas malaki sana. Oh my gosh. It's too small. Yay. Ano lang siya guys, 30 something dollars. I think 37 or 39. Pero this is not what I expected. For maliit siya. Gusto ko yung malaki yung pearl niya. I'll try it later. Kasi meron tayong maliit na earrings right now. So I'll try it later. I-clean ko muna siya. I'm gonna clean it first and then after that, I will try it on. Let's see kung okay siya. Yan. So, ito siya guys. Maganda yung packaging niya. And I like the color of the box as well. This is my favorite color. Yan, pearl vibe. So, if you're interested, this earring is about $40. It's 30 something dollars. And this one, originally, this was actually 20 something. But I got this on a Black Friday. They call it Black Friday sale. Yeah. So, I got this for $14 only. So, lahat ng mga prices ng items ko, guys, ilalagay ko dito when I edit this video para magkaroon kayo ng idea how much they cost. So, that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!